Sino na yun? Okay. Capricorn. Okay. Hello, my dear Capricorn. Teka lang, ha? Sorry naman. Okay. Hello, my dear Capricorn. Welcome or welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Facebook page, and TikTok. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. At tayo magko-collective today. Okay. Medyo ang tagal ko hindi gumawa ng reading kaya nakalimutan ko kung sino na ang gagawin ko ng reading. Okay. Let me see, my dear. Black card muna tayo. Kagaya ng sinasabi ko, my dear, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka ng reading na ito. Okay? Bakit ang daming naka-reverse? Wait a minute, darling, ha? Wait a minute. May mga naka-reverse na card. Ay, yung isa lang pala. Oh. Okay, let's go na tayo. Capricorn. Tingnan natin. The Seven of Hearts or the Seven of Cups? Ang Seven of Hearts or the Seven of Cups is releasing this energy, my dear, na ang daming mental blockages. Okay? It's like, ang dami mong gustong mangyari to the point na parang hindi mo na alam kung nasaan yung priority sa hindi priority. Okay? Let me see. Let me add more. Let me add more. Hoy, may nahulog. Maybe my love. The shopping galore. The shopping galore. Ay, sorry naman, wala na sa frame. Dahil mo gustong bilhin. Like, I want this. I want that. Okay. Okay, my dear. Actually, ang ganda ng energy. I love it. It's just like going to the mall and then buying this and buying that. Pero parang medyo may something. Okay, may something dito. Oh. Somebody hurts you. And hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nag-apology. Okay, somebody hurt you. So, I have this very, very strong feeling, my dear Capricorn, na somebody hurt you and you are expecting na mag-apologize siya. Tama ba ako? Okay, yun na nakukuha ko na energy. And then dahil hindi mo pa nakukuha yung bagay na yun, parang gusto mo na i-divert yung energy. Somebody hurt you. Para may nanakit sa'yo and then, hindi ko pa nakukuha yung gusto ko. So therefore, the devil na energy, okay? Alam mo, my dear, paglabas pa lang ng Seven of Cups, I can feel that there is something wrong here, okay? There's something wrong over here. It's more on parang, ginagawa mo to, hindi dahil sa gusto mo. Ginagawa mo to, my dear Capricorn, because of parang gusto mo magyabang, gusto mo ipakita na medyo nakakaangat-angat ka, gusto mo ipakita, my dear, na nagkamali ka ng iniwanan, you mess up with the wrong person, na hindi mo ko kaya, na tingnan mo kung ano yung sinayang mo, yung parang ganun, my dear, na energy. That's what I'm getting over here. May energy ng parang may katas ng may sense or parang may amoy, parang may something, may nagle-linger, parang sa pagkain may hidden spice na ano dito, my dear, na there's energy ng revenge. Okay, there's energy ng revenge dito sa mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari. And once again, my dear, ayaw natin ng backfire. Ayaw natin ng backfire, my dear, Capricorn. No, we don't like the backfire. We don't like the backfire, darling. We don't like it. Like, gagawin ko to para mapatunayan na mayaman ako. Mapatunayan ko to para mapatunayan. Ang tanong kasi, my dear Capricorn, important ba sa'yo? Like, kung ano yung gagawin mo, it's importante ba talaga sa'yo yan? Or you are just doing it because of, yun nga, yung mga sinabi ko kanina, okay? Be careful, my dear Capricorn. Be careful. Let me see, my dear. Alam mo, my dear, minsan pag may mga tao na umalis sa buhay natin, let them be. Let them be. Let them go. Okay, yun lang sasabihin ko, my dear Pisces. My dear Capricorn, sorry. You just need to let them go. Okay? Just let them go. Okay? Shell. No, spell. Sorry ha, spell. That is S-P-E-L-L. Kala ko shell. Spell. 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 Spelling. Spell. Parang be careful. Yun ang nakukuha ko, my dear. Kasi, alam mo, napansin ko lang lately, parang hindi tayo aware na minsan, my dear, tayo din yung gumagawa ng mga bagay na nagpe-prevent sa atin para mag-move forward, para mag-prosper sa life, okay? So yun ang nakukuha ko dito. It's not more on somebody's doing a spell on you. Possible na baka iniisip mo, my dear Capricorn, that somebody is doing spell on you. But probably ikaw lang ang gumagawa lahat niyan. Kasi ganito ang mangyayari, my dear, ha? This reading is, the Seven of Hearts is energy ng parang very impulsive na decision making, ha? Makinig ka, wag kang lumalayas every time na sinesermonan ka, lumalayas ka eh. Okay? Kailangan mo to, nandito ka for a reason, okay? So, every time na sinesermonan ka, lumalayas ka eh. Diba? Ito, makinig ka. Okay? Minsan, my dear, pag tayo ay nagkakamali sa buhay, okay? Pag tayo nagkakamali sa buhay, for example, ito, impulsive na decision, di ba? Mag-shopping, wala namang masama dito eh. As long as ginagawa mo siya para sa sarili mo. Pero kung ginagawa mo siya, my dear Capricorn, para patunayan sa ibang tao na parang, nagkamali ka ng inano, kita mo, ito, kaya ko tong bilhin, kaya ko tong ganito, or nagkamali ka ng inano kasi malaking kawalan ako sa'yo. Kung ginagawa mo yung ganun, my dear, definitely na meron yung backfire. And pag nag-collapse, ibig sabihin, pag dumating na sa point, my dear, na na-realize mo na yung mga binili mo is wala naman palang kakwenta-kwenta at hindi mo naman pala kailangan, or hindi kinagat ng kabilang side, or hindi nag-work, okay? Kasi remember, magwo-work lang yan pag in-acknowledge nung kabila. Pag naisip nung kabila na, ay, nakabili si Capricorn ng ganito, ganyan, ganon, doon lang magwo-work yan. Paano pag hindi? Paano pag hindi? Paano pag hindi niya na-realize, my dear, na malaki kang kawalan sa buhay niya? Oh, 'di ba? Ano mangyayari sa iyo? Di ba, magre-regret ka ngayon. Tapos, magda-divert ka ngayon ng energy, karamihan. And I am also guilty with this, my dear Capricorn. I am also guilty. Isipin ko, wow, somebody's doing a spell on me. Somebody's like this. Kaya ako naghihirap ngayon kasi... But, my dear, possible na isipin mo, my dear, baka kasalanan mo naman talaga lahat. Because of the energy ng galit na nasa heart mo. This is the energy of anger, my dear Capricorn. Every time, this is energy of spell. Spelling. Every time that you try to create something na hindi naman talaga sa'yo galing yung pinaka main source, galing sa galit yung source, galing sa proving something yung energy, there's a possibility na meron yung backfire, my dear. Believe me. Next, if somebody hurt you and ayaw maghingi ng apologize, never mind. Kayabangan. Capricorn, you don't need to prove to everyone. You don't need to do this. Ikaw lang din na mahihirapan. Do you have a credit card right now? Swipe, swipe, swipe. You have a utang, swipe, swipe. Sino magbabayad niyan? Sino magbabayad niyan? Patunayan mo sa mga tao na meron kang pera. Sino magbabayad niyan? Sila ba? Sila ba? You're watching this reading for a reason. Sa kagaya na sinasabi ko, my dear, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka ng mga reading ko. Maalala ka lang pag may kailangan. Maalala ka lang pag mayroong kailangan. Because hindi ka tumitigil dito. Hindi ka tumitigil dito. Samot-sari na yung nagiging complication ng ginagawa mo, my dear. Sinasabi lang ng reading na to, my dear, na gumawa ka ng something sa buhay mo nang dahil gusto mo. Hindi dahil gusto ng mata ng ibang tao. Ha? Gumawa ka ng something na gusto mo talaga coming from your heart. Not because you wanna prove yourself to others. Sa kahit anong kadahilanan, my dear. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabi na ginagawa mo to para, 'di ba? Pero possible na para mag-regret siya, para maisip niya na ito yung sinayang niya, ako yung sinayang niya. Like, paano pag hindi na-acknowledge? Paano pag hindi ka napansin? Paano pag wala naman talagang pakialam na sa'yo, maski anong mabili mo, or maski anong maging achievement mo sa buhay? What if masaya na talaga siya sa decision na ginawa niya? Naiwanan ka? What if? And wag mong isipin, my dear, na lahat ng misfortune mo is kagagawan ng ibang tao. Minsan tayo din, we need to look at the both side. We need to look at the both side, my dear Capricorn, na lahat minsan ng mga misfortune natin sa buhay, na lahat ng ginagawa natin sa buhay, o lahat na nangyayari sa buhay natin is because of our own decision din. Okay, hindi ko sinasabing walang kasalanan yung outside na energy, pero sometimes we tolerate it. The only way, my dear, na mag-manifest ang isang bagay sa buhay natin is if we tolerate it. If we are not aware na nag-i-exist yung energy na yan. That's why God give you this one and God give you this one to use it properly. Kaya iisipin mo ngayon, hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko, ganito, ganyan. Try to scan it, my dear. Try to look at it. Kasi baka hindi naman lahat yan is kagustuhan mo talaga. Okay? Yung iba dyan is trigger. We have here the energy of the Hierophant, spiritual awakening. Influence. Possible na influence din ng paligid, ng surrounding. Nakita mo na may ganito si ganito, may ganyan si ganito, may ganon si ganyan. My dear, this is energy of growth regarding sa energy na nagpapahirap sa'yo. This reading is all about the growth, kung saan possible na nahihirapan ka, na nagiging reason kung bakit ka nahihirapan. This is the another side. Yung kabilang side, my dear Capricorn, when you are blaming somebody that probably somebody's doing a spell work on you, or somebody's actually doing like this, or doing like that, or doing that, kasi kasalanan ni ganito, kasi look at this reading is all about you, Capricorn. This is more on your impulsive decision making, my dear. Na possible na nag-struggle ka ngayon because you are so impulsive na you never try to control or manage your anger. Or trying to prove yourself to others na nagkamali sila ng desisyon na iwanan ka. So what? Kung iwanan ka? Diba? Saan ko nakuha yon? From here. You see the guy walking, pagkatapos kanya saktan, pagkatapos kanyang slap or something, whatever. You see? And then you are expecting na anytime soon mag-a-apology after niya ginawa yung incident na yon. And then nag-cause ng anger sa'yo, my dear. And that is causing kung bakit meron kang 7 of Hearts. and this energy of impulsive decision making. The Queen of Cups. You need to understand, my dear, that everything happened for a reason. Na minsan wala sa iyo ang problema. It is just more on gusto lang talaga niyang gawin yung isang bagay na yon. We have here the energy of the Four of Wands. Possible na energy ng relationship. We have your energy ng Chariot, and there's something, my dear, na nagkukos kung bakit nagli-leak out yung finances mo. Okay? Is either sa loob ng relationship or sa loob ng family, pero there is something wrong na nangyayari sa buhay mo as of this moment, and you need to stop it. Kung nanggagaling yan, my dear, sa energy ng galit or energy ng revenge or energy that you're trying to prove yourself, my dear, to others, that you're trying to prove yourself, my dear, to others, na nagkamali sila ng decision making na iniwanan ka or ni-let go ka or parang ilitsopera ka sa buhay nila, and you are making the very, very worst and possible wrong decision of your life. Kasi pag umalis ang isang tao sa buhay mo, my dear, you don't need to do anything, my dear, para ma-realize yung tao na yun, my dear, na umalis siya sa buhay mo, or kung sinaktan ka man niya or ginawan ka man niya ng something, you don't need to do anything, my dear, para ma-realize niya yun, my dear, kasi kusa yun, my dear. Ang konsensya ay kusa, my dear. You don't need to put any effort, my dear. You don't need to destroy your life para malaman lang ng ibang tao, my dear, na meron kang worth or meron kang value. Hindi mo kinakailangan, my dear, na sirain ang buhay mo para malaman lang na ibang tao, my dear, na meron kang worth and meron kang value. You don't need to do a lot of excessive shopping or palamutian mo yung sarili mo para sabihin lang na, see, nasa ano ka na, sa magandang kalagayan ka na, lumipat ka pa sa banig. Nasa kama ka na, lumipat ka pa sa banig. Diba? Yung parang, you don't need to do that. Hindi mo kinakailangan yon. You don't need to do that, my dear Capricorn. This reading, my dear, is not to humiliate you. This reading is not to actually tell na stupid ka or boba ka or something. This reading is actually to wake up you, my dear, that you are the Queen of Pentacles, okay? Na possible na meron mga tao na darating lang sa buhay mo, my dear, because meron silang problema. Karamihan ng tao na pumapasok sa energy ng Queen of Diamonds or the Queen of Pentacles is like that. Darating lang nila, my dear, sa buhay mo because meron lang silang mga pangangailangan, meron lang silang mga problema, meron lang silang mga needs. And you are the Queen of Pentacles. And you need to manage, my dear, your money, okay? Yung effort ka ng effort, my dear, yung effort ka ng effort that you do a lot of work, my dear, okay? Like you are the money magnet, pero nakikita mo wala kang savings, wala kang ipon, walang nangyayari sa'yo because there's something wrong, okay? There's something wrong. And huwag ka magtaka, my dear, bakit meron mga tao lang lumalapit sa'yo dahil nangangailangan lang sila ng pera or meron lang silang problema or something like that. And nobody actually come. Madalan lang sa patak ng ulan, my dear, kung meron lalapit sa'yo sasabihin, Capricorn, kumusta ka na? Humihinga ka pa ba? Because, my dear, you are the Queen of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin, people, ang tingin nila sa'yo, my dear, is napakataas mo, my dear. Maalala ka lang pag may kailangan sila. Kagaya nga sinabi kanina. Napakataas, my dear, because you are showing them this one. Pinapakita mo sa kanila, my dear, that you can afford things, that you can do things, okay? Ibig sabihin, kaya sila nagkakaganyan because of the image na pinapakita mo rin. Wala naman masama, my dear, kung gusto mo magsuot ng mga jewelry, kung gusto mo mag-shopping, my dear, pero, di ba? Be careful, lalo sa mga tao na bago mo makakakilala, sa mga bago mga faces, new energy. Be careful, baka there's a possibility, my dear, na kaya yan sila lumapit sa'yo, my dear, kasi nakikita nila, my dear, that you are this one. From the very beginning pa lang, my dear, ng reading natin, ano na siya, spill out na siya, given na siya, my dear, na there's possibility, my dear, na kaya nagkakaganyan yung rotation ng light mo is because dahil din sa'yo, my dear, okay? So, my dear Capricorn, this reading is not to hindi intention ng reading na to, my dear, na i-humiliate ka, na sirain ka, na ibabain ang moral mo or something, or ipahiya ka over here. This reading is actually made to wake up you, my dear, para magising ka, my dear, sa katotohanan, to guide you, to help you move forward sa next level ng iyong life, okay? I hope that you will not take it really, really personally, but you will use it for guidance. It is always my intention, my dear, to guide and to help, my dear, ang bawat isa na nagsusupport sa aking channel, okay? Channel. Louis Vuitton. I have my Louis Vuitton. Okay, my dear, sa aking channel, okay? So, my dear Capricorn, yan ang ating na-collect para sa araw na to, and I hope and pray, my dear, na nakatulong ang ating reading, and always remember, ang ating mga cards ay gabay lamang, tayo pa rin po ang gumagawa ng ating kapalaran. Maraming salamat po.